Alright folks, thought I'd do a little supplementary video to our normal weekly videos. As you can probably see, we're having a bit of a snow day. So before we go any further, don't forget to click on subscribe, hit that little bell, and get all the weekly updates, and perhaps, like today, a little bit of an extra video. So yeah, it's I still get excited when it snows. It's obviously can be a bit of a pain in the arse, a load of extra work to do. I still like the snow. So I'm just off out, assuming I've dropped a bale out back there, just going up to feed the cows again, take them some small bale hay, because I've just cleared the snow off the back of the pickup, more than the depth of my hand. So like, what's that, 4 or 5 inches, something like that, since this morning. And to be honest, it has been kind of settling and then melting a bit and then settling again, so we've certainly not got the full depth of snow that we might have had, and they were promising like 16 inches, so afternoon girls, you enjoying the weather? Right, what I'm not going to do is get in the field with them because they'll be a rather excitable. So I'm just going to chuck the bale over in halves. So let's see if I can put you on there. Right, so that's some hay put out for them. Hopefully it's well enough spread out that they can all get a bit. That is the benefit of a well designed coat. So they're actually really well insulated, their body temperature is absolutely bob on. And because they're not losing any heat, it allows the snow to settle on them, and they look kind of like cartoon snow cows without falling in holes. Look at that though, the tracks from where I came in 10 minutes ago, they're virtually disappeared. They're filling in quite quickly now, and it's all drifting a bit as well with the wind. Where are we going here? We're going that way, aren't we? It's amazing how you can spend all your time going around these fields, and then a bit of snow and a bit of mist, and you suddenly lose all your bearings. Right, well that's all these guys fed. I was trying to work out for a minute why it was so dark in here, and I realised all the roof lights are covered in snow, aren't they? Blocking all the light out. I also thought, just for a bit of fun, I used this tractor this morning. Thought I'd get a tape measure. There we go. What's that? 5 inches? Yeah. Good 5 inches. It's not a bad haul in what? time is it now? 5 o'clock. About 8 hours. Right, so we've come over to feed the sheep and check on them. I've parked the car back there because there's some fairly big snow drifts in the middle of the track. A few years ago, when we had what everyone called Beast from the East, I came along here and I got the pickup beached on one of these snow drifts, and it took us hours to dig the damn thing out, so I'm not making that mistake again. We've got a shovel so we can clear a bit of ground for the sheep to have some food, and fingers crossed none of them have got themselves buried in a drift anywhere, but if they have, we can dig them out. But sheep are terrible for getting stuck in drifts. They go and shelter at the back of the wall, and then the wind picks up all the snow and dumps it over the top of the wall, and they don't have the sense to move until it's too late, and then the snow's too deep for them to actually move the legs out. Like there, they're all under that wall, you see. That's when it can get a bit dodgy. Right, so that's me in up to my knees, and I'm 6'4". This is a bad route to pick. There we go. Right, just going to get the other bale of hay now. By the way, apologies if it's been a bit windy in a few points on this video. I'll do what I can in the editing to try and clean it up a bit, but one of the things that was supposed to be getting delivered yesterday was a new microphone with a wind muffler. Funnily enough, that didn't make it, so hopefully they'll bring it, well, not today because it's not happening today, but after today they'll be able to bring it, and then we'll be all good for sound. The electric fence is somewhere in that snowdrift, so it'd be a miracle if that's still on. Oh, it's sunshine, bloody lovely. Even if it's still a bit windy, it's lovely and warm out there. Well, relative to that, I suppose. Right, well, I think we can conclude that fence isn't working. just touched the string a few times and it's not zapped me. And it normally bites you. So that can be a job for tomorrow. Dig that out and get it going again. But at least it looks like it might be on, so the cows, I don't think the cows will test it for a few days yet. We've still got a bit left of the old bale. Right, final lot of sheep of the afternoon or the day. So I'm going to walk across these fields to go and see if we can find them. Dogs are enjoying the snow though. Come on Indy, this way. A bit deep though, still. So yeah, just got to find the sheep. Brought the drone just in case they're not up in the usual place where we feed them. Rather than going walking around 30 acres of deep snow, we use the drone to find them and then we can just go straight to them. But with a bit of luck they'll be right there. Alright, come on team. Well done. There we go. Sheep found. There's not too much snow on here. I didn't think there would be too much. Teddy, you wait there. Well, that's good. That's everything safe and sound and fed now. Right, well that's pretty much all the job's done for the day now. This lot have all been fed. Desperately need to clean out in here. That's tomorrow's job. Just haven't had time for it today. So yeah, that's what a snow day on the farm looks like. Lots to do, keeps you very busy. It's been an alright day really. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and we'll see you on the next one.